A reminder earlier, we said that good possibility that the shorts need to be defensive this afternoon, that it was likely that the longs were going to try to squeeze them back in the bounce type day. They had defended their turf. It was up to the shorts. And we said good possibility that we could get a double top and then get a sweeper that comes back out and around the top here. And this red line that we put here is that we need to re-trigger, or else the shorts are going to get squeezed marginally, probably. Not the biggie type that everybody was looking for, just the marginal type. Brush back a few stops. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Still have 20 minutes or so to go. But feeling was that this would be a marginal push, simply because the shorts did not get the job done, and we've got a big magnet right here at that 92 to 93 area. Certainly, this posture of rotating around and getting higher highs and higher lows speaks volumes to the type of bounce day we've had, albeit on low volume. And if we look at what we were most fascinated with this morning in terms of the possibility of a bounce, we were looking at this blue line and obviously the red and green lines up here and said likely that we're going to get a range inside this yellow ellipse here. And so far, that's what's happened. So I like the way that the long side pushed back, but I think there's not enough fear in the market. I think there are too many alongside traders that read into this. And so we said all shorts, if you want a next whack at it, you got to be able to use this 98 to 99 resistance for a marginal high, and don't think about it as a big trade. Just think about this as an end of day profit taking move from the longs. Anybody that's shorting now, a reminder, this is a scalp type trade. It's a high odds trade, and it's not for a lot of points. And admittedly, earlier trades today were much better odds and for a longer duration and a better risk-reward ratio. So if anybody has taken this trade, we said longs be out by 98. And this is what we had in mind, was perhaps to come back in and test that magnet we've got at 94, 93.75. So good trade. Anybody's taken this, lock something up and never let it run against you. And sometimes the market takes all day in bouncing, and then, in a couple of minutes you can get a nice quick trade like this if you know what you're looking for. And this was a trade that we were looking for to grab a couple of points. In this rotation, we think this is a smart trade by anybody who likes the short side, just to grab a couple of points end of day. And it's almost done, but in terms of time, but this is a smart scalp trade, and a reminder, we are making higher highs and higher lows. So don't overstay this kind of a move end of day. Once you get into the chips, stops down to break even, and obviously take what you can out of it.